Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create administrator user account on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 in graphical mode. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create administrator user account in graphical mode, click on activity on upper left corner and then click on show applications and click on all tab. Now click on settings, scroll down and click on detail tab. Now click on users. Here you will find your all current users and you will find a button. Click on add user and first option is account type. Select administrator. Now type the username and I am typing the name, and this one is the login name, and now type the password and now click on confirm and type the confirm and then click on add. Look, the user is added and here you can select the language. Click on language and I am selecting here English United States and click on done. Now close setting and I am going to log in with the new administrator account. Click on power icon on upper right corner. Click on the user and click on switch user and look, the user is on the list. Click on the user and type the password. Now click on sign in. The new administrator account is signed in successfully. This is the easiest way to create administrator user account on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 using graphical mode. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.